What's up, guys? In today's video I will be showing you how to change the color of your name in vrfs. Since a lot of people have been wanting to do it, I thought I'd make a tutorial on it. So let's get into it. But before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you for all the support I've been getting recently. It's been amazing. I mean, 395 subs. I think we can hit 400 before the end of June. So, yep, that's our goal. Alright, so basically, first up, the color of your name. So, if you want it red, so if you play Gorilla Tag, there are color codes, right? So, basically, in VRFS, you just insert the Gorilla Tag color code, and, your name will be that color. So I'll just show you. See, so you have to do that little line, hashtag, whatever color code you are, hashtag that line, and then your name, and then your name is that color. Like, my name is blue right now. So, yeah, if that's enough, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make another one, but explain it more. So, yeah, thank you for taking your time and watching this video, and I'll see you next time.